Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a follow-up review, basically all about the products that I used a couple weeks ago in my chit chat first impressions video. So I have the products right here in a little bit and I've been using them for a while. I also have them on my face today. I do have some opinions about them, so I'm pretty excited to start these like follow-up videos with y'all. That way I can update you on all the products and everything like that. So let's just go ahead and get started with talking about these products. If you are interested in the makeup look that I have on my face today, I used the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Dark Magic palette to create this look. It will probably be up before this, so definitely go check it out. I'm doing an individual video with every palette with swatches, comparisons, palette comparisons, so you don't want to miss them out. But beginning with the products that we do have in the little bin, I want to start with the primer real quick. So the primer I used in the video and what I've been using for a while is the Rimmel Insta Flawless Perfecting Radiant Primer. Brightens skin tones, natural looking glow, primes and perfects, and it's in the shade Clear. I'm really not crazy about this primer, specifically because I don't see a difference that it makes. Like, I have it on right now and I use the foundation I have also with it, and I don't see it. It looks beautiful when you first apply it to your skin, but if we're being honest, I don't see it through the foundation. It doesn't do anything for your pores. It doesn't do anything for skin texture. It doesn't smooth. It's supposed to be a luminizing primer, and I guess maybe if you had a light coverage foundation, you could probably see it, but using the foundation that I did, I can't see anything through it. I'm pretty flat matte right now, and that's normally what I do like because I have oily skin, but I mean, I wouldn't buy it. I don't see the use for it. Like I said, I really can't see it at all. Like, I can't see it at all through my skin. It's pretty maybe if you had something more on the lighter end of coverage. So moving on, the foundation I have on, and the foundation I love so much. I knew I was gonna love this. It is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I have it in the shade 030 Sand Beige. Y'all, this foundation's a game changer. It is so mattifying. It's almost like a powdery matte finish, but it's not like super nasty powdery. I love it. I don't even have to set my face. I only set my face where I apply concealer simply because my concealer obviously has a lot more glow to it, and I'm oily, so I definitely like to set that area. But other than that, I don't set any area of my face, and my face looks so good. This is full coverage for me. I have to say, this foundation is full coverage for me, and I love the shade. Everything matches so well, and I'm very excited because I recently saw Catrice came out with more shades for this foundation. I believe this foundation only had 4 shades before. I think it's 4, and that's absolutely terrible. They came out with so much more. I saw in a PR package, and I'm so happy because I love this foundation so much. Mattifying and second skin effect, I absolutely agree with. It's super mattifying, and you know, I can still feel my skin through. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing like Urban Decay All Nighter where it's heavy and cakey and you can feel it. This is so much more better, and I'm so in love with it. I love this so much. Like, I can use this year round. It doesn't have to be like a spring, summer, or winter foundation. It's perfect for me, my skin tone, and also my skin concerns because my oiliness is terrible. So moving on to concealer. This is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. I have it in the shade 005 Light Natural. That is currently what I have on right now, and I actually really enjoy this. I think I enjoy it better with a brush though. I used a brush with it today, and I've used it with a sponge before, and I think I like it the way that it applies it better with a brush. It has a really good coverage on the under eye, really smooth. You really can't even, like, it just all melts together. And I also highlighted with it. It did a little bit of highlighting, but not anything to where it's like that huge like stark white difference, but it definitely did lighten up my under eye, applied a good amount of coverage also. So I really do like it. I think it's a really nice concealer. Blends out easily also. I think these combos right here are probably my 2 favorite things. And then the next thing we have right here is the number 7 Perfect Light Loose Powder. I have like a love-hate relationship with this. My hate reason would be because this looks terrible baking. It's not a good baking powder at all, in my opinion. When you bake with it and you leave it on your skin, I find it gets very dry. It makes your under eyes very crepey. I don't like that look. So instead, I've been taking like my fluffy Wet n Wild brush, and I'll just kind of dip it in the lid and then set my under eye anywhere that I put concealer, and I feel like that looks a lot better simply because you're not leaving the powder on there for so long. You're kind of just leaving it on there as you know, kind of make your way around your eye and brush off any excess. So it sets what it needs to set, but it doesn't overly dry out my under eye. And I think I like it a lot better using that technique versus baking. But it is a nice powder, but I don't like it for baking. That's like the only thing I have with it here. And then I have the NYX Professional Precision Brow Pencil in the shade 01 Blonde. I have this on my eyebrows today, and I do like this pencil, but I am a pomade girl. I love a good brow pomade. But I have to say this pencil is very easy and very creamy to use. I am able to get my lines under and above my brow, fill in my tail, and then the front ends of my eyebrow, and I'm done. Doesn't require a lot of trickery or thinking or anything like that. It's really creamy and easy to use, and I like that for the reason of this brow pencil. I mean, like I said, I'm not a brow pencil lover, but if I'm gonna use a pencil, I want it to be something like this, so it's not really hard or anything like that. I don't know why I like pomade so much, I just do. But it's good. If you're definitely a brow pencil lover, I would check this out for sure. And then the gloss I'm wearing on my lips, which is probably the best thing ever, and I will be checking out more glosses and lip products from them. This is a Dose of Colors lip gloss, and can you not? I mean, hello, this is the perfect nude gloss ever. I literally just have this on. I don't have any lipstick or lip liner underneath it. And this is my favorite gloss. I've been more into glosses recently, and this doesn't even feel like you're wearing a gloss. Like, it's like soft and silky, but it's not sticky, it's not tacky. And I find that it's not one of those nudes that wash me out either. It's a very soft, kind of like pinky, like brownish nude, and I love that. And I love how it's not like sticky or tacky. Like, it's just a very like comfortable gloss. It's hard to rub my lips together and talk, but I love it. I love this gloss so much, and I definitely want to check out more from their line. And then this I do not like. I've made the assumption. It is the Hard Candy Luminous Setting Spray. This is just way too wet looking for me. I go and put all this effort into getting a matte finish, and then I spray this, and I literally look like a Krispy Kreme donut. I don't like it. It's just, it's too dewy for me. And especially my chin area, for some odd reason, whenever I spray this, it likes to just like accumulate right here, and I look wet, and I don't like that look. So I'm thinking maybe this is gonna be better for the spring and summer months. Honestly, I may declutter and give it to somebody else, because I don't see myself reaching for something that makes me look that dewy and like a glazed donut, like I said. So that is all the products I have for y'all today. I already did film another kind of like chit chat, get ready with me video. That one will probably be up after this video, but I used like a bunch of ColourPop stuff, primers, lipsticks, eye stuff. So that will be the next follow-up video using all those products and kind of giving y'all my final opinion. So definitely keep an eye out for that video and the follow-up video. I will link all these products down below just in case you are interested in any of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.